Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan, that first generation that you see right here from year 2008 to year 2017. This is known as MK1 Volkswagen Tiguan. If you need to find guys where your airbag module is located, you will need to replace the airbag module if the car was in an accident. You need to remove it or either replace it or have it rebuilt. We will explain where you can find it, but quick guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. Why? Because if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, they can hurt you, they can kill you guys. So take it to a professional, but for any of you curious where the module is, we'll explain where it is located. Quick reminder for any of you working on the airbag system that are qualified and certified, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour when you do that, and you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, otherwise you can damage modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? We take them completely apart. We show you how to do anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical components, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And for any of you that need to buy any parts, tools for your car at a really good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can save quite a bit of money. So specifically guys, we have this 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan that we'll be demonstrating on. Now what we are doing, by the way, we're installing heated seats. It does not have factory heated seats, so that's what we're doing right here now. So in the process of doing that, okay, we want to show you where the airbag module is located because it's visible now. What we did, we removed the console here guys. Okay, the console is removed, that's the central console. We have a special video that explains how to do that, but you have some bolts on the side, on each side. You have bolts right here and bolts to the front, okay, clips right there. So there are multiple things that will need to be addressed, but once you guys remove that center console, check this thing out here. You're going to get here to the shifter. You're going to have a few extra modules right here guys, and next if you come to the side right under the dash, you can see that's the vent that goes towards the rear seats, right? This is the HVAC system. But if you come all the way on the side guys, okay, let me see how I can fit that device right there guys, under the carpet. This device right here, that's your airbag module right there. It's hidden under the dash in the middle, okay, right there. That's where you can expect to find it guys. I believe it has 2 nuts on this side, 1 on the other one. But for any of you that wants to see how to reset airbag light on, how to rebuild airbag modules, we will have videos on our channels that will teach you guys how to do that. It's not very complicated. If you want to see how to remove complete video, the central console, will have the video on the channel as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful guys, and see you next time.